Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use both earbuds independently on your HONOR Earbuds X6. And to use it independently, the only way is to leave one of these earbuds at the charging case. So you can remove only one from the charging case, or you can put only one to the charging case and then close the case. And now you can use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, we have connection with these earbuds, but we use only one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!